Hello, conscious souls on the path of a world of light, love and unity. The only thing that is constant in this life is its inconstancy. Variability and unpredictability are precisely the perfection of the divine design and its beauty. Nothing lasts forever, nothing is stable, nothing is ultimate true but one. The life of the soul is an endless development and expansion, and love is a creative divine energy that spiritualizes everything created. Instead of blindly following the generally accepted, approved, tested, etc., it is better to tune in with your heart and ask Him, is this really what will make me happy? Is this what my soul wants? Is this the direction of movement that inspires me? And if the answer is yes, then feel free to go in your chosen direction, putting aside fears, doubts, behavioral norms and imposed stereotypes of thinking. Create your life based on your inner desires and motives. After all, this is why we incarnated on Earth, in order to be ourselves and realize our creative potentials for the benefit of ourselves and the entire universe. Good luck on your journey to know your true self.